To replace the air distribution box on an electronically controlled Furrion Chill Low Profile rooftop air conditioner, start by releasing the filter assembly, which is secured by 2 tabs at the front. Press these tabs inwards to detach it. Then remove the 4 Phillips head screws located at each corner of the air distribution box. Note that there are 2 clips adjacent to the front screw pockets. These must be carefully released to fully detach it. To reinstall the air distribution box, position it carefully. Then install the 4 corner mounting screws. Complete the reassembly by snapping the filter assembly back into position. Insert the rear tabs first, then press upwards on the front until it locks in securely.